Have you ever stared at a pair of boxing gloves and thought they all looked alike? On the surface, maybe. But once you start looking at the weight, the padding, and even how they feel on your hands, the differences start to matter a lot. Picking the right gloves can totally change how comfortable your training is and how confident you feel in the ring. This video is all about the best 16-ounce boxing gloves. I've matched them across a few different categories so it's easier to find what fits your needs best. I dropped the links to everything down in the description so you can check them out whenever you want. If you like this kind of breakdown, hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss future videos. And hey, if you've got questions or want to share your favorite pair, drop a comment. I'll be checking those. Let's get straight into the reviews. Hayabusa T3 Best Overall 16-Ounce Boxing Gloves. If you're looking for gloves that feel like they've thought of almost everything, these definitely fit the bill. The padding is impressive, spreading out impact in a way that seems like it's made to protect every knuckle without feeling too stiff or bulky. And the wrist support? It's the kind that makes you think twice before any awkward bends happen, thanks to a dual strap system that locks things down. The weight feels true to what it says on the box, which makes switching between bag work and sparring much less confusing. Plus, the leather is engineered to hold up over time, so you're less likely to see cracks or weird stretches after heavy sessions. Inside, the lining keeps things surprisingly cool, which is great because sweaty hands can be a real distraction. There's also a thoughtful thumb design that lets you wipe sweat without taking the gloves off, even if it does get dirty pretty quickly. The gloves come in a ton of colors, so picking a style that matches your vibe isn't a problem. Some people wish it came with a bag, but beyond that, it seems like a glove that checks almost every box for serious training. Everlast Powerlock 2 Best 16-Ounce Boxing Gloves for Beginners. For anyone just getting into boxing, these gloves feel like they were made to make the learning curve a little easier. The padding is soft but supportive, kind of like a memory foam mattress for your hands, which helps when you're hitting the heavy bag or mitts for the first time. And the wrist support is noticeable. There's a raised cuff and splint-style foam that keeps everything locked in place without feeling like you're wearing a cast. The hook and loop strap makes putting them on quick, and the fit is generally comfortable, even if some find the 16-ounce version a little roomy. One nice touch is the mesh palm, which keeps hands from getting swampy during intense sessions. The interior is soft enough that wrapping your hands isn't a hassle, and it seems like most beginners would find them easy to break in. Some minor downsides pop up in reviews, like the thumb compartment feeling a bit narrow, and occasional complaints about stitching or peeling leather after a few months. Still, for a mid-range glove, it seems to hit most of the right points. Comfortable, supportive, and beginner-friendly. Plus, the limited color options make choosing a style simple. Sonable Essential Best Budget 16-Ounce Boxing Gloves. If you're looking for gloves that won't break the bank but still cover the basics, these are worth checking out. The padding is gel-infused, which helps soften impacts and protect knuckles during heavy bag sessions or mitt work. The wrist closure keeps things secure with a hook and loop system, making it easier to avoid awkward twists while throwing punches. One thing that stands out is the ventilated mesh palm. It keeps hands from turning into little sweat factories, which is great if you don't want to smell like a locker room after a session. The fit is pretty comfortable from the start, thanks to the glove's arch design, though some users report that people with very small hands might find them a little roomy. The synthetic leather holds up okay, but there are occasional complaints about peeling after extended use. Style options are nice, and it's easy to find a color you like. For a budget-friendly pair of gloves, they cover most of the essentials and seem like a safe bet for starting out. Fairtex BGV 16 Best 16-Ounce Boxing Gloves for Women. For anyone looking for gloves that feel precise and well-built, these definitely stand out. The padding uses multiple layers of foam, which gives solid hand and wrist protection without feeling overly bulky. The wrist support is noticeable too, thanks to a hook and loop closure combined with a rigid cuff that keeps everything in place. Weight feels accurate, and the balance is on point, so switching between training and light sparring doesn't throw off your rhythm. The leather is high-quality cowhide, which usually lasts a long time and gives a premium feel compared to synthetic options. The gloves take a little breaking in. They can feel stiff at first, but they soften and start conforming to your hands after a few sessions. Thumb placement is something to pay attention to. Some users mention it can jam on heavy bag work, so they're best for pad work, training, or light sparring. Stitching and construction get high marks, which is nice if you're worried about seams coming apart. Colors are nice and a bit more unique than the usual black or red, so picking one that suits your style is easy. For a premium glove aimed at women, they cover most bases in comfort, support, and durability. Clado Rays, traditional training gloves. Best 16-ounce boxing gloves for heavy bag training. If heavy bag workouts are your main focus, these gloves are built with that in mind. The padding is thick and dense, giving knuckles a good amount of cushion while keeping the glove compact enough for proper form. The long cuff adds serious wrist support, and the lace-up closure keeps everything tight, which is nice for people who want a glove that really feels secure. Weight feels consistent, partly because the gloves use a water-repellent lining that keeps sweat from making them heavier over time. The leather is premium quality, which usually lasts a long time if taken care of. They take some breaking in, so at first they can feel a bit stiff, but that's normal for gloves built this way. Thumb placement keeps hands safer, though some users mention it can feel slightly tight until the gloves loosen up. The stitching and overall craftsmanship are top-notch, which is expected from a brand like this. Color options are plentiful, so picking one that stands out is easy. For anyone focused on serious bag work or heavy sparring, these gloves provide protection, support, and durability in a package that's built to last, even if they demand a little patience to get fully comfortable. Ringside Apex Flash, best 16-ounce boxing gloves for breathability. If sweaty palms during training drive you crazy, these gloves are built to fix that. The mesh palm and moisture-wicking liner do a surprisingly good job of keeping hands cool and comfortable, which is perfect for long sparring sessions or hitting the bag hard. The padding is thick and shock-absorbing, so knuckles feel protected without the glove feeling too bulky. Wrist support is impressive thanks to the wrap-around hook and loop strap, which keeps everything locked in place and prevents any accidental bends or twists. Weight feels true to size, and the balance seems right for both bag work and sparring. The synthetic leather holds up fairly well, although some users report stitching coming loose after heavy use, so they might need a little extra attention over time. Thumb placement isn't highlighted in detail, but the gloves seem safe for sparring and general training. Fit can feel a bit snug around the fingertips, but most people find it manageable once you get used to it. With a wide variety of colors, it's easy to find one that fits your style. For anyone who hates overheating gloves, these do a great job of keeping training sessions cooler and more comfortable. So, that's a look at some of the top options for 16-ounce boxing gloves. No matter your training style, there's a glove here that can fit your needs. If any of these look interesting, you can find all the links in the description below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you don't miss new reviews. Drop a comment if you have questions or want to share your favorites. And while you're at it, check out some of our other videos for more reviews like this. Thanks for watching.